In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move columns in Excel. Moving a column in Excel is a simple skill, but it is very useful when you want to reorganize your spreadsheet without retyping any data. The key is to select the full column first, then drag it carefully to a new position while using the Shift key so Excel inserts it in the right place. Start by clicking the letter header at the very top of the column you want to move. This is important because clicking the letter selects the entire column from top to bottom. You want the full column selected, not just one cell, so make sure the whole column is highlighted before you continue. Next, move your mouse to the border of that selected column. As you hover over the edge, watch your cursor closely. You are looking for it to change into a four-headed arrow. That cursor change tells you Excel is ready to move the selected column rather than edit a cell or resize the column width. If you do not see the four-headed arrow, adjust your mouse slightly along the border until it appears. Once you see that cursor, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Keeping Shift pressed is what allows Excel to place the column into a new location correctly. While still holding Shift, click and drag the column toward the place where you want it to go. As you drag, pay attention to the thick green indicator line that appears. This line shows the exact position where the column will be dropped. It is a helpful visual guide, so take a moment to line it up carefully. This helps you avoid placing the column one space too far to the left or right. When the green line is in the correct spot, release the mouse button first. After that, release the Shift key. That order matters, because it helps complete the move properly. Once you let go, Excel will place the column in its new position. If needed, take a quick look across your sheet to confirm the column is exactly where you wanted it. This is especially useful in larger worksheets where small changes can be easy to miss. That covers everything you need to know.